Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today got a little video for you. I was down at Topsail Beach. I think this actually recorded this Friday, and down hit my usual spots, you know. And as some of you know, I do tag fish for the North Carolina Department of Marine Fisheries and the North Carolina Department of Environmental Quality. And I don't tag a lot of fish. I don't tag every fish I catch. I pick and choose good candidates for that. So Friday, I picked a good one. I picked a flounder I caught, tagged him. I'll show you the process. Now I guess some people don't agree with tagging, or they don't really agree with the process. You know, it's not harmful to the fish, but then again, if somebody plucked you out of the water and stuck an 1/8 inch needle in your behind, yeah, you're gonna be a little traumatized. But it's for the better, and it's for the good of the fishery, and that's why I do it. So like I said, I don't tag every fish I catch. It's just randomly, and this happens to be my first tag flounder of 2026. So he was a nice flounder. Just watch the video. I go through the process. I keep him out of the water as short a time as possible. And people say, well, you keep him out of the water too long. Look, a flounder, 3 to 4 minutes is not going to kill this fish. He swam away good with a tag on him, and hopefully that helps the fishery. Now that fish is being tracked, and fixing to go to the mailbox, put my little card in that I fill out when I tag fish and send it to the Department of Marine Fisheries. But you guys enjoy the video. Any feedback is welcome. You guys take care of each other. There we go. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Another nice one. Don't know how good he's hooked. Brilliant. Right. Right. Kind of skinny. Get a measurement on him. Get him back. Yeah, it is. Look at there. Hold on, my friend. It's all right. It's all right. Alright, got him tagged. Let's get him back. Alright, nice 18-inch tagged, ready to go back. Alright. Of course, again, let's frayed up just a hair thing. Got him on the have to get another. Got him on the gulp shrimp. Stop recording.